Hello, this is Lord, and welcome to my 24 Hyundai Elantra cosmetic modification update. As you see, the car is not stock anymore, or original looking, whatever you want to call it. I got some stuff, some badge skins, and of course the Velossa Tech snorkel. And then I got rid of all the red trim, painted it purple. So let's take a closer look, I should say. So I don't know how well this is going to come out in the video, but there you go for the purple badge skin LED. Alright, then we got the tow hook from X Titanium, and of course the purple trim around there. Now that end was supposed to be a lit logo, but they said they had some difficulties with it, so they didn't put it in. So I'm probably going to have to find somebody that's more into modifying that. So until then, I'm probably going to get some badge skin for it, just like I did the back. So then there's the I took the Hyundai badge off and replaced it with a custom badge, and I will have that company located down below. And let's get a little closer look. Looks great. Looks awesome. I should have had, this is actually my third take of this video, because the Velossa Tech snorkel wasn't operational because of the app was outdated and needed to be updated on Google Play so I can use it on my phone. So that's the delay in that. So I figured I might as well just wait for the video and do it then instead of one-off. And then, as you see, no more red caliber. Painted it, of course, purple and then black, so that the N shows up correctly, because it's purple and gold. Can't really see that too well, but maybe the other wheel will be better. And then, of course, the center cap looks great. And of course I got the little valve stem, little ends there. Alright, so there's some more purple trim, and let me get a little bit lower so you can see the mud flap. And I got that from X Titanium, and I will have the links or the companies down below, and if not, you can always ask. So yeah, it turned out great. Alright, some more, of course, goes all the way across. Now I want to come back just a little bit and let's take a look. I got the badge skins for that. I also got the tint on it. So it looks great. Alright, so let's go to the other wheel. And of course it's the smaller caliber, so it's just all purple. And then of course you got the center cap. So yeah, then let's take a look at the back mud flaps. So once again by X Titanium. They have some great products on there, so check them out for sure. They got all kinds of stuff that you might like. So yeah, turned out great. Let me see if I can get closer in. Hope that turns out better. Alright, so then let's back up just a little bit, and then of course you see more trim. And then I decided to go with the rear tow hook by X Titanium, so that's great. The only thing I don't like is the thing that they took off. It just like leaves a big hole. It's not clean, in my opinion. So I wonder if there's some type of cover that I can use to make it look better behind that tow hook. So, alright. So, let's go deep down, and I got the badge skin for that. But then I recently just learned that they have the lit one that lights up with the brakes. So, I'm most certainly going to get one of those. So, that's great. And then let's go a little bit up. As you see, I took the Elantra badge off, and as well as the Hyundai, and I put another custom emblem up there. Looks great. And then let's come over here, and then you see this end, of course, badge skin, purple and gold. Looks great. Looks very great. So, and then just take a look at the other side, see how it looks. So I'm quite happy. It turned out great. So one thing I need to do is get some decals for that end. So that'll be on my next phase, phase 2. This is phase 1. So next phase, that'll be on that for sure. And I'm sure the brake light. So yeah, you can't really see the end because of the spokes there. So but yeah, it turned out great. So try to get a good shot of the light. I know lights with video and pictures are kind of difficult to get, so hopefully I can get something nice. So yeah, phase 2 probably contain the lit logo as well. So yeah, let's see. When I'm looking at this video as I'm taking it now, the Velossa Tech comes out great. The LEDs up top, not so much. So, I mean, they look great in person, of course, but yeah. But phase 2 will contain some other stuff, big stuff. So stay tuned for that. So So yeah, I really liked these emblems. So yeah, very good product so far. It's been washed many times, and I haven't seen any signs of, you know, it crumbling or whatever. So great stuff. Oh yeah, there's one more little thing I forgot. I just want to get another close up. See, I haven't played around with it too much, but I'm thinking I might, for different settings, have like a purple and gold kind of flashy thing. Of course, when I'm not driving, because I'm sure that's illegal to have flashing kind of lights and stuff. So, alright, yeah, there was one more thing I forgot. Let's take a look here. Open the door, and right there you see the end. So yeah, hope that music doesn't come up, but yeah, I can't. So yeah, I got the purple end badge skin for that. I wish they had gold, because I would have did gold too to match. But yeah, that's pretty much all I did for phase one. It's quite a bit actually, but yeah. So let me do a roundabout here. Of course, phase two will be bigger than phase one for sure. I'm not going to tell you exactly everything because I don't want to spoil it. So alright, there you go. My update for phase one of the cosmetic mods. So hope you enjoyed. Leave any comments below. If I forget to leave a link or company name, please ask. I have no problems replying. So yeah. So this is Lord. Until next time, stay safe out there.